Well, my wife has kindly cut the grass today while I was at work, which is nice of her. And I am going to be doing some timber cutting. Here we go. So I've got 10 timbers here, including that one. And I will be doing the joists. So all I'm going to do first is just chop off the ends so that I've got a nice clean end to measure from, because what you don't want is the scruffy ends from the timber yard ends. God, that's really hard, that bit. Right, that's all the ends cut. Now I've got to do the measuring. So I should have been wearing my gloves because I got a little splinter. Poor me. So I should be alright now handling this timber. So I've got these 10 joists to cut, all the same length. I could have made a jig if I'd have thought about it a bit more, but when it comes to the upright, the 2x4s, I will definitely make a jig for that, because I'm going to need, I don't know, like 60 plus, all the same length. So, and if I get these like a millimetre or 2 millimetres wrong, it's not going to matter. So all of these cut-offs will be really good for once I've got the roof on. I'll need bits for the sides to poke out. Moment of truth. That will go in there because that there you go. This was one that was slightly twisted, I think. Perfect. One more. This one's got a nasty twist in it. Cool, now I just need to screw them all in. So I've got gold screw 5 by 100mm. That's just to get these attached, and then I will be using joist hangers just to make sure they're absolutely solid. And then I've got these Sabre cut impact rated 50mm Posi-Drive 2 bits, because you go through these, you strip these quite often. And then I'll go and make sure the other end is in the centre before doing the bottom. That way I can swing it round if I need to. Nice. See how that's twisted? That's twisted by making that one straight. So I'm going to have to untwist it before I screw that in. So I'm just going to use one of these offcuts. Boom, twister's gone. And then I just take these out. Well, it's the next day and my camera battery ran out, so didn't really get to record the rest of the work that I did. I mean, I did it thinking it was being recorded, but there you go. What I've managed to do is I get all the joist hangers on down both sides, front and back, and I think that is it for this weekend's work. Like I said in the last video, if you're enjoying this and you just like seeing someone struggle to do something, by all means press the subscribe button and tell me in the comments if you think I'm doing anything wrong, because honestly I will take advice because I want this to be a success. So I will see you next time.